So these problems come from section 4 of the pretest. They are over the distributive property. So if you recall, the distributive property is where we multiply this outside number, the number outside of the parentheses, by everything on the inside. So I'm going to start by multiplying 3 by 8 and then 3 by negative 2x. Remember, in class, we would draw the arrows to them. So I have 3 times 8 minus, I'm going to keep that operation symbol the same, minus 3 times 2x. So I'm left with 3 times 8 is 24, minus 6x. That is your final answer. It's as easy as that. Problem 17, I'm doing the same thing. I'm taking this number on the outside and I'm multiplying it by each piece on the inside. So if you can do this by right away saying 6a minus 4b plus 2c, that's fine. If you have to show your work, like I said, the more work, the better. So we're going to have 2 times 3a minus 2 times 2b plus 2 times c. And then we're going to simplify. 2 times 3a is 6a minus 2 times 2b is 4b plus 2 times c is 2c. And that is our final answer right there. So we're going to skip 18. That's in a separate video. You can find that on my channel. But we are going to look at 19. And we're doing the same thing here that we were on 16 and 17. And we're just multiplying. So 12 times 2 plus 12 times 1/2 x. 12 times 2 is 24 plus 12 times 1/2, or what is 1/2 of 12, or 12 divided by 2. There's a couple different ways you can think about it. That is 6. And we keep our variables, so 6x, and that is our final answer.